Hi everyone. In this presentation, I will explain Kant's deontological ethics and apply his categorical imperative to a simple everyday situation, cutting in line at a supermarket. First, I'll explain what deontology is, then I'll introduce Kant's categorical imperative and its three formulations. Finally, I'll apply those ideas to the supermarket example. Deontology is an ethical theory that focuses on duties and moral rules instead of consequences. Kant believed that morality should be based on rational principles that apply equally to everyone. Kant distinguishes between hypothetical imperatives and categorical imperatives. Hypothetical imperatives depend on personal goals. Categorical imperatives apply to everyone regardless of goals. Kant believed there is one fundamental moral rule called the categorical imperative. He explained this principle in three different formulations. The scenario we will analyze is cutting in front of someone in a supermarket line. Most people think this behavior is unfair, but Kant helps explain why. The first formulation says we should only act according to rules that we could want everyone else to follow. If everyone cut in line whenever they wanted to save time, lines would stop working. Because the rule cannot be universalized, Kant would say the action is morally wrong. The second formulation says we should treat people as ends in themselves and never merely as means. When someone cuts in line, they ignore other people's time and treat them like obstacles. This fails to respect them as individuals. The third formulation describes the kingdom of ends, a moral community where everyone follows fair rules. If people constantly ignored rules like waiting in line, social cooperation would break down. So according to Kant, cutting in line is morally wrong because it cannot be universalized. It treats others as means, and it damages fairness in society.